Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Melanie, and today I'm here to do an unboxing of the September 2024 Beauty Heroes box. This is their 10-year anniversary box, so I'm pretty excited to see what it is. I didn't see any spoilers, so it's exciting. I just showered and I put on a face oil, the Henné face oil from a previous box, and I'm looking pretty shiny right now, so I just felt like addressing that. And I'm happy to be doing this. This morning was hectic. It was my son's first day of school, and he was riding the school bus for the first time this year. And we waited and waited for the school bus, and it never came. And it was like 10 minutes before school was starting, and I was calling the school trying to figure out if it was going to come or they were just delayed or whatever. But they just completely, apparently, when we got to school, they said, when I talked to the women in the office, they said the transportation company changed the bus stop and just never communicated it to them. So it was just a little bit of a mix-up and stuff. My son was fine. He was very chill about it, and everything was fine. I drove him to school, but it was just flustered. It made me flustered this morning because you see it going one way and it gets a little crazy. But anyways, just felt like sharing that story. I have the box here, so let's open it. I was trying to make a guess in my mind about which brand it was and stuff, but I don't know. I think I'm hoping it's a new brand, but it's their 10-year anniversary, so I don't know. We still haven't seen Nini Organics. So maybe then someday. Let's open it up and find out. I just got the body care collection from Inner Sense. So I'm sure this is going to be skincare, I would imagine. I love the moment of truth. When you open it and find out what it is. Oh, Lilafox. It's so funny. I thought to myself a second ago, I used the Flower Goo by Lilafox, and I thought, I wonder when they're gonna do a Lilafox box again. But I'm like, oh, this Flower Goo one, this was pretty recent, right? So they're probably not doing it again, but maybe it wasn't as recent as I thought. Lilafox, it's an interesting brand, so let's see what we got here. I believe we got 2 products. Let's see. Lilafox Beauty Heroes featuring Lilafox. They do love this brand. All right, we got 2 products. Looks like, I'm excited. We got the Moss Hydra Bright Emerald Glow Mask and the Amazon After Dark Melty Jungle Cleansing Balm. It says, this month marks 10 years of Beauty Heroes. Choosing the perfect partner to celebrate this milestone wasn't easy, but we knew when it was right. And this value is a $185 value box. So it says, over the years, you've relished Lilafox's luscious aromatics and decadent textures. You've raved about the results that only top-shelf botanicals and advanced actives can deliver. And you've requested Lilafox more than any other brand. And if the last decade has taught us anything, that it is far better to give than to receive. So on our 10-year anniversary, this is our gift to you. 2 more soon-to-be forever favorites from one of our most beloved brands, Lilafox. They show some of their other products here. So they show, you know, like the different products that we just got. And then the Flower Goo, that's a serum. I just used that. I don't have their Beauty Nectar, but their Ambrosia Immortalis eye mask. That was a hero product that I loved. And then they say Prickly Pear, the Beauty Nectar. I've never used it. That was from October 2018, before I was a member. So they're saying these 2 are both Sidekick products. So not one is a hero, but both. And they look to be about the same size. Fun. All right, cool. All right, let's talk about the Emerald Glow Mask first. That is Moss Hydra Bright Emerald Glow Mask. It is 50 milliliters, $105. It says, looking to revive a dull or fatigued complexion? Look no further than Moss Hydra Bright Emerald Glow Mask, an herbaceous, jewel-toned emulsion that drenches skin in cooling, calming hydration and rejuvenation. An unexpected superpower ingredient, Irish moss, delivers dense concentrations of essential minerals, amino acids, peptides, and vitamins that balance oil production, boost hydration, and eliminate buildup. Sorry, my battery thing came on for a second. When combined with the other star ingredients, the super soothing mask unburdens skin from congestion and unveils a more luminous complexion. And just wait until you inhale the addictive aroma of crushed leaves, sweet basil, and citrus that gives summer in the forest. And it looks like the top ingredients are prickly pear enzymes, which clears pores and brightens, white willow bark, which exfoliates, Irish moss, which boosts elasticity, and oat and bamboo extracts support skin barrier. One of their masks that I finished fairly recently was, I can't think of what the name is right now. It was the blue one, and it had a scent like, it smelled like pesto to me. I'm like thinking jungle. No, jungle is one of these. It was Blue Lagoon. That's what it was. And I finished that one. I really liked the consistency. It was very pudding-like, but the scent was pretty strange. But that's the thing about Little Fox. I'm excited to smell these because I feel like their scents are like unique, and you either love them or hate them, I want to say, but maybe not. Interesting. That's what it looks like. Cool consistency. It looks kind of spongy. Let's see if it is. Oh, it looks like that kind of pudding-like texture that I said I liked about the Blue Lagoon. Interesting. I am definitely excited to mask with it. I haven't been doing great with masking this summer, but it's been a very busy summer. And I am excited to be home again, staying home, like organizing the house, decluttering, donating stuff, just really catching up from the summer, because I feel like our summer, we went away like 3 different times, and it was like packing, going away, unpacking over and over and over, like 3 different times. So, you know, especially with like 4 kids and working full time and stuff, it was a lot. So it's just like, I'm ready. Not that I'm ready for summer to end at all, but I am ready for like kind of routine, like that feeling of September, like going back to school and all that stuff. Anyway, so this is how the mask looks. It feels kind of pudding-like, maybe not as pudding-y as the Blue Lagoon, but it's kind of a, I don't know, yeah, like an earthy scent, I think. So that will be fun to try. The other one is the Amazon After Dark Melty Jungle Cleansing Balm. And I'm excited because when looking at all my products, I have a lot more moisturizers and a lot more serums than I do cleansers. I've kind of gotten my cleansers into a more manageable category, which is awesome. So I'm happy to get a cleanser and maybe not a moisturizer. I love moisturizers, but it's nice to try to like, it would be nice if I could get my moisturizers and serum category lower. This is what the box looks like, very pretty. All right, it's 50 milliliters. This one is $80. It says, it's not often that a clear cleanser can steal the spotlight, but Amazon After Dark is a bestseller for a reason. The soft jelly blooms into a milky emulsion that protects, purifies, and replenishes at once. A blend of 4 exotic butters and oils, maracuja, muru, kupaku, and babasu, are rich in essential fatty acids and omegas that provide nourishing emollient properties and antioxidant protection while dissolving impurities within the pores. This clears the way for exfoliating magic and delivery of vital nutrients that replenish and plump. The scent of green citrus and rosemary mint is grounded by bright rose geranium and dirty florals, creating an invigorating aroma. That is a very interesting description, dirty florals. The top ingredients are white willow bark, which we saw in the other product, brightening exfoliation. Hibiscus exfoliates and balances sebum. Amazonian lily, which plumps skin. And Kakadu plum, a powerhouse antioxidant. So we're going to be smelling green citrus, rosemary mint, and bright rose geranium and dirty florals. It should be invigorating. Okay. That's what it looks like. So we have cleansing balm. Oh, it's like squishy. I thought it looked like it was more firm, but finger just goes right in there. So yeah, so this is kind of the consistency of it. Seems pleasant. All right. So that's cool. I like to use a new cleanser. It's fun. And this will be interesting to use. I wouldn't say either scent. I just always think back to their, like, I think it was the marshmallow poof or the marshmallow poof was that, I think that was super scented. It was like the first box I ever got was Little Fox. and it was Marshmallow Poof and some other product. I can't really remember at the moment, but they were both like very unique scents, I felt like polarizing and stuff. So I don't feel like either of these is super polarizing, like super strong smelling, but I'll be interested to see. So I'm excited. Yeah, that's cool. I'm not surprised that it's Lil Fox, because they seem to really love working with them, and I enjoy trying their products. They're definitely expensive, and it's nice to get them for the cost of the box. So we got a mask and a cleanser, which is pretty cool. So I would love to know your thoughts, and I would love to chat with you in the comments below. If you could give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful, that would be awesome. And if you could click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted for when the next video comes out, that would be great. I just did my review of August's box and now this video, and the next one I'll be doing will be an update to my project pan from what I accomplished in July and August. So thank you very much for watching, and I would love to chat with you in the comments below, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.